Are you struggling to keep up with the fast-changing world of sanctions and export controls? You're not alone, and this video will give you the key to staying ahead and avoiding costly mistakes. In this video, we'll break down the latest major shifts in Syria sanctions that could impact your business, and reveal how you can protect yourself and save money while staying fully compliant. Watch to the end, where we'll share top practical tips you can apply immediately to your compliance program. Since 2011, the EU, US and UK have imposed tough sanctions on Syria due to the Assad regime's violent repression. These targeted the regime and key sectors, but allowed humanitarian aid. Now the European Union has lifted nearly all economic sanctions on Syria. This means most bans on trade, investment and finance are lifted, except for security-sensitive goods like arms and dual-use tech, which remain banned. The EU removed 24 entities from its sanctions list, including the Central Bank of Syria and companies in oil, cotton, telecoms and media. However, sanctions on Assad-linked individuals stay, with new human rights sanctions added for recent abuses. Following this, the US Treasury's OFAC issued General License 25, allowing investment, petroleum imports and business with Syria's new government. But key restrictions remain. Assad, his close circle, Captagon traffickers, and any dealings benefiting Russia, Iran or North Korea are still forbidden. US banks can now process Syria-related transactions under this license without special approval. This is a big shift, but it's not an open door. Sanctions are complex and penalties for violations are severe. Here's what you need to do right now. Update your compliance programs to reflect these changes. Make sure your team knows what's now allowed and what's still off limits. Top tips to keep your compliance tight. Always check your partners against updated sanctions lists using trusted screening tools. Document every transaction carefully, especially those under new authorizations, so you can prove compliance. Never assume relaxed sanctions mean full freedom. Security restrictions and individual sanctions remain strong. And when you're unsure, get expert advice. Sanctions compliance is too risky to guess. For more insights on customs, export controls, sanctions, AML, and trade compliance, visit www.customsmanager.info. You can also subscribe to our free weekly newsletter there for the latest updates. If you want to discuss your specific situation, book a free expert consultation at www.customsmanager.org. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share. That way, more customs, export controls, and sanctions professionals can access this clear, reliable information. Thanks for watching. Stay compliant and stay ahead.